Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I'm really excited to tell you that we've released a feature that has been highly requested by most of you, and that is the ability to create staff roles and refine which staff members can see what. Okay, so first thing to note is you will only notice this if you refresh the page, so you can go into your URL and hit enter. That will refresh the page and you will see this new section on the bottom left under the title of System. So first thing to note is nothing about your current setup will change. This is an addition, okay? So you could not do a single thing with this new feature and nothing will change at all, okay? But I want to explain how it works and how you can use it to benefit your organization. So you can go into the roles section, and as for all of you, you will only have one type of role set up, and that's a system administrator role, okay? And all of your staff will currently have that level of permission. That's the highest level of permission possible, okay? They can see all groups and they can edit and change and create anything they like, okay? They can also assign other roles themselves. Now, what you might want to do is actually refine who gets to see what, okay? So perhaps you have a befriending program and a shopping and prescriptions program, and they're managed by different staff members, okay? What you can do is you can actually go into roles and go add a new role, okay? This is the user interface for this. You're going to give this a role. So let's say we want to call it a befriending team coordinator or something along those lines. What you can then choose is, are there various groups that you want to limit their permissions to? So perhaps it's just the befriending group. You can then basically define every single thing that they can see and do, whether they're viewers, whether they're able to actually edit. So viewing is where they can actually see the stats, they can see information, they can see activity reports and things. Editor is where they can actually add clients, add volunteers to their groups, and they can create missions as well, okay, as well as approve things. So the definitions are all here. If you have anything you need clarification on, please do reach out. But you're just going to go through and set up exactly what they should be able to do. If they're a team coordinator, really, because they should be able to do everything within their group. So my recommendation is that you allow them to at least be editors of everything, because viewer, they're not going to be able to do a great deal. But it's completely up to you how you define this particular role. I'm just going to create it as it is. The next thing you can do is you can go into your user section and then redefine which roles they're going to be part of. So I can then say which members of my team I am going to add to the various roles, okay? And it's pretty much as simple as that. Now, the one thing that one of the things that's quite important for this is, and it's something that you guys have been asking about, is at the moment, any safeguarding flags or action required flags within volunteer reports are sending you all notifications, and that's probably overkill. So what's great about this new feature is that you can then refine what the person should and shouldn't see, and then it means that will also refine what notifications. So for example, all of those within the befriending team coordinator role will only get notifications for missions and volunteers within the befriending group. Now, I hope that makes sense. If you do have any questions about this, please feel free to get in touch with me, and I would be more than happy to help. Hope to speak to you all soon. The next thing that we're going to be focusing on is volunteer registration, and so that will hopefully be a great addition to the platform for you all. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon.